in our more community-based stuff, we'll have tattoo on the spot. So we'll line up facing each other before we start a game, and we'll go, what are some of the rules we want to negotiate with tattoo? And some opportunities to be creative and innovative in that space there as well. And I guess for me, from my exploration of tattoo, is that it actually is, it's a traditional idea that is really relevant now when we think about inclusion and adaptation. So there's a big move in sport around inclusion, disability, all that kind of stuff. Tattoo as an idea tackles all of it. It's adapting a game to meet the needs of the group rather than here's this fixed thing. It's let's do tattoo, let's figure out how this is going to work. It's across all of Taonga Tākaro. So if someone's in a wheelchair, then how do we adapt this game? And it's put on them, on the group to decide how that works.
Cool. Very
tattoo
cool.
can be used for advantage. So there's some games that someone has reach or longer arms that they're going to have the advantage. So can you take that away through tattoo?
Yeah,
so there's some really cool ideas in there for, I guess, inclusion and ensuring that you reduce the barrier for people to play and put ownership on the people playing it rather than me, the facilitator or the coach or whatever.
I really like as well that it's a way for people to connect with Te Ao Māori, because for a lot of people, if they didn't grow up in a Te Ao Māori world, then I guess today that would look like kohanga, kura kaupapa, whatever, on the marae at the pā. If you don't have the privilege, I'll use the word privilege, to be immersed in that aisle, in that world, then for a lot of our whānau, kapahaka gave them an in. But like you said, if you're a shy person, you don't necessarily want to stand up in front of a stage, in front of people on a stage in waiata or haka, then how do you get access to Te Ao Māori in another way? Kia ora he and Taonga Tākaro. Didn't even think about it, but what an awesome opportunity for some of our whānau and our non-Māori whānau to engage with Te Ao Māori.